look around, have fun. Yeah. You can see people feeding the pigeon. You saw us doing that too. This is just the way to catch. Who cookie go there? Una dey see that nyash. Una dey see the nyash. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. So this is the continuation of the last vlog on my channel. Please, if you have not watched that video, please go ahead, watch it before this one so you understand whatever that is going on in here. Okay, so right now we are at the Taksim Square, and you can see my son Kobe feeding the pigeons here just to get them around so we can snap or take pictures with them. Okay, so I think everybody that comes to Taksim Square must surely do this. I don't know but I think everyone, especially foreigners and tourists, they will just gather here, pay for the feeds and feed the pigeons so they can snap pictures when the pigeons gather around to eat the feeds. Okay, so that's what we are doing. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this vlog. Please, if you are new here, thank you so much for joining. Please don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and also turn on your bell notification so you won't miss any of our interesting videos. Okay, yeah, they are feeding them. Hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Okay, today is what am I going to call it? I don't know what to call today, but just
today is fun.
It's a fun one. Yeah,
yes,
we are here to have fun. Yeah.
You gotta get.
Hey. I'm shy, but I'm just going to try and myself, give you all the vibes that you want. Okay. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog that I'm bringing to you guys. Because we went out of our way. We went out of Victoria. We went out of our way to give you. Where is Kobe? Huh? Yeah, you guys should see Kobe. Those are true pigeons. See how he's chasing them. Not just a side pigeon walking mad. Hey! That can take a picture. Taking pictures, making videos. It's pictures actually, because here you just see people snapping because here is a very popular place. Okay, so we are just here. Yeah, you can see people feeding the pigeon. You saw us doing that too. This is just the way to catch them, to stay around so you can take your pictures with them. Okay. Actually, you do food. So see people, see corn. This is fresh cooked corn. Yeah, I'm telling you. About us in Nigeria, if you do so we are going to the square. So this is the popular square. This here is the popular square, but here is the image that made it the square. Like the hair is so big, so big. Yeah. What? You want to go to the playing ground? Nah, because no playing ground the Caribbean today. Is it not tourists? Hey. When I come in Canada, your money go Caribbean age. Hey. Oh, next year. I'll see next year again. In Abia?
There has to be a history about these images, Abby. Anyway, go and stand. Let me video you. Let me film you. Go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. I understand. You can see people, mostly people that are here are tourists, are foreigners that came to look around, have fun. Yeah. As you're coming, I'm filming you. As you're filming me, I'm filming. I'm filming you. Can I say at this image now? Okay, can I say chat? They're done snapping from this image. I'm going to tell you guys history about these images. I think this relates to either Christianity or I don't know if it's relating to the Christianity. I don't know. I'll use voiceover one check the channel. Let me not talk what I don't know. Let me not talk what I don't know. So you can see how people are coming.
You can say, then you go video you, if you talk, you understand.
Okay, yeah.
So guys, I want to explain this Taksim Square to you guys. So this Taksim Square is the most iconic and dynamic place in Istanbul. Okay. Taksim means division or distribution in Turkish. Okay, and yeah, so the area around Taksim is alive at every hour of the day, from dawn to dusk. Okay, it's always so lively. There is nothing like it's midnight, let's go home. It's always so alive, entertaining, fun. Residential neighborhoods, cultural centers, and plenty of shopping opportunities are there. Okay, shopping centers and special passages that's line the main street of Taksim. Like if you go there, there is no dull moment there. It's always so lively. People are always there. There is nothing like it's night, let's go home. It's always so alive. So I just hope you come here, visit here. If you ever visit Turkey or Istanbul, all right, guys.
And don't miss any of our content, okay? Yeah. Eh? I should shout. Who wants to shout? Who wants to shout? Go, let me snap you there. But there is the content creator herself. I'm telling you. Alright, let's go. Give me your hand. Here. So we are heading to the Catholic Church. Yes, now. Who could get the go there? When they see that nyash. When they see the nyash. Hey. Yes, so Grace Bugodia. Oluchi bia. Oluchi pagodi the ten. Ngwe godia. Ipaya. So guys, you see the bread. Yeah. You guys can see the crowd here. You see why this place is very famous. Yeah. You guys can see the crowd here. Here is a very there is a very big history behind this square, which I'll be explaining to you guys later. Let me just be videoing. Naga, I beg. I will do the voiceover.